Hey everyone, how you going? Welcome back to OPTV. Have you ever been walking with a rolly case through the airport and ran out of hands? Well, I've got the answer for you today, and it looks a little like this. So recently I got my hands on via a Kickstarter campaign, the Retro Strap. So when I saw the campaign for this, I thought, that's something right up my alley. I am a physiotherapist and I do like things that help us to travel more efficiently and less likely to get injured, but also make life easier for us. Now, a common problem that people face, if you take a carry-on suitcase to the airport, so you haven't checked it in, but you've gotten through security and now you're walking around the shops or looking through the books or magazines, you've got a coffee in one hand, you're rolling your little case in the other, and then you want to pick something up, you've got no hands left. So what this does is allows your rolling cabin luggage to be hands-free, so that then you've got two hands free to do what you need to do in terms of getting coffee, eating and shopping at the airport. So let me just get this going on one of my little cases and show you a demo of what it does and how it works. So what do you reckon? As I said, it's called the Retro Strap, so that's something you can look up. And if you're someone who travels with cabin luggage a lot that wheels, it could be a really good solution for you. Great for your shoulder, great for hands-free. Might be a red hot tip for you. We'll see you next time on OPTV. Bye.